Good afternoon, good morning, everyone. This is Morshid again from Computers Repair Plus with some new update regarding Remarkable 2 and Remarkable Paper Pro. So I have three tablets today, which is January 19th today. And here is in Florida, it's very cold today, so that's why I have a tight jacket. Sorry, kind of freezing here, but we are not stopped yet regarding the Remarkable repair. We keep doing the Remarkable since 2020 every day pretty much. Today I have three devices on hand for repair, and three different type of issue. Very fast one, I'm gonna trying to give some update to our customers. That way they may have some answer if they may have any question regarding their devices repair. So this tablet, it has a charging issue. So the USB-C charging, it doesn't take any charge. But last time customer mentioned that it's work like a month ago, but the tablet was working fine, but it's dropping the battery and they could not charge it because it would not take charge. But the tablet was working fine on the battery. So tried different cable, tried different adapter, did not help anything. So we're gonna see if we can fix it, and based on previous experience, we've seen a lot of USB-C broken issue. So I'm not gonna surprise if it is the same type of issue, but we need to do the diagnostic first, opening the tablet and checking. We have a $59 checkup fee for that, which is upfront, and you need to pay the shipping cost, which is still same cost, $59. As today, January 19th, 2026. All right, and then second remarkable here, this one has, guess what, very common issue, right? Power button. So it's a power button jam. I don't know you guys can see it, it's a little bit blurry, but yeah. So definitely we can fix this, and we have a very fixed price for this one, $150 power button repair. No need to do any diagnostic. And oh, by the way, for the Remarkable 2 power button, we cover return shipping cost any state in US, but you need to pay for the shipping to send to us. And here's the third Remarkable device, which is, as you can see, no need diagnostic, right? So we seen very different issue with Remarkable 2. Even is crack screen, and tablet still need to do diagnosing, because of when a screen damaged, sometimes the circuit board is damaged too inside, because it's very fragile, it's very slim, and it's very close to the screen. We also seen like too many different random issue. So this is specifically to see if we can recover the data. Goes under diagnostic and testing and checking first to see if any way to recover the data from it. Even if crack a screen, it should light up, it should a little bit blinking, but it doesn't do anything, so we have no clue it does have power or not. So we're gonna fix all these three, and we're gonna check it first and contact with customers and providing the repair estimate first. Except the power button, they already know the price, and we also have a fixed price for that, $150. Again, if you have any question regarding the Remarkable 2, please give us a call or text us to 941-567-6431. We are a local computer repair shop here in Bradenton, Florida, Lakewood Ranch. So address is 1829 Lakewood Ranch Blvd, Bradenton, Florida 34211. Our phone number 941-567-6431. And we do Remarkable 2, Remarkable 1, some limited repair. And Remarkable Pepper Pro, I have some updates that not really good news. Pepper Pro has a lot of crack screen issues. We've seen, unfortunately, the replacement screen is not available yet in the market as of today, January 19, 2026. Only option we can see, which is buying a refurbished or used Remarkable Pepper Pro and transferring the cracked screen to the customer device to access the data. So it's going to be super expensive. So it's not gonna worth unless your data is super important and worth the cost to access the data from the device. And if your device is not syncing to the cloud, and if you think your data is worth than buying I would say like your data is still worth to spend that much money buying another Remarkable and transferring the screen and paying for the labor cost. This is we're talking probably based on few job we have done recently. Based on that, we've seen almost $700-800, $900 cost we're talking about for Pepper Pro crack screen replacement. So that's the update. And Pepper Pro screen replacement not available yet unless you wants to buy a refurbished one and swap up the parts and paying for the labor and paying for another device. Some customer that finds that is worth for them, and we just charging the labor cost, that's all. And Remarkable 2 power button still repairing every day, charging port repairing based on diagnosing water damage. There are some very good news that we was able to recover the data. And then what else, like battery. Oh, by the way, yes, Remarkable 2 battery replacement also we had very successful rating for that. And also we have replacement battery, which is refurbished battery. So if you have any questions regarding any Remarkable, feel free to give us a call, email, text message from the website. Important update, very very important update. And I like to request to our customers, before sending the device, please contact us first and let us know where's the problem. Without any communication, please do not send a device. And also we had some devices we received here, customer never contact. We even don't know who is the owner, and there is no note inside the device, there is no information, and no phone number, no email. It's only the address, and we don't have any records in the system yet, which has been already 2 weeks. So we're trying to find out those customers. Please, if one of those, I don't know, is online, but please contact us and give us an update if you're sending your device. If you already shipped, first thing to do, if you shipped, you have tracking number and comes to our website, you will see the portal option in the menu. Click on the new ticket request and create an account, create a ticket, and put the tracking number for the shipment, put into the description, and we will get a notification and we will create a ticket for you, and we will keep updates when we're receiving and what we're doing. Pretty much you can get any updates through the portal. That's all for today. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. We are here all the time. Thank you so much and have a great day, guys. Bye bye.